Hi guys, welcome to another video. Before we start this video, let me know मैं कैसी दिख रही हूँ प्लीज, क्योंकि आज मैंने कुछ अलग ट्राई किया है. मैं बेसिकली जो मेकअप करती हूँ डेली वही किया है, बट समथिंग इज एडेड एंड आई जस्ट लव दिस लुक सो मच. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस? लेट मी नो in comment section. So let's jump to the video. So today in this video I am showing which stuff I am using for traveling. जो भी कुछ मैं लेती हूँ हम मेरे साथ ट्रैवलिंग के लिए, वो सब आज मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ. और बेसिकली हम जब ट्रैवलिंग करते हैं तो ज़्यादा सामान नहीं लेते, सो मैंने भी ऐसा ही कुछ किया है. सो लास्ट फ्रॉम 6 to 5 months आई एम जस्ट ट्रैवलिंग इंदौर, पुणे, my hometown. So that's why I'm collecting my things and in mini pouches because I don't want so much weight with me. So yeah, today I'm gonna show you. This video is all about what I'm packed for traveling. So basically I just love pouch so much. They are super organized. You can add your stuff and yeah, आप अपनी मर्जी से वहाँ पर कुछ भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. बेसिकली पाउच आर फॉर द मिनी स्टफ, सो आई जस्ट लव पाउच सो मच. So today I'm having this pouch which is quite beautiful guys. It's having a glittery color. Basically I'm not purchased this pouch. My sis ordered my glam product, so that's why she got this pouch and I just love so much. It's having the glittery color, so that's why I just love colors so much. So I just pick this for me and I am adding my all the stuff in here. So basically I'm adding my essential product for traveling or I'm daily using that. I'm not sure something is missing or I need to add, but from last 5 months what I'm missing that I'm just adding in my bag. So yeah, I think it will be helpful to you. So yeah, let's see what is in it. First thing is sanitizer. So basically ये पहले से नहीं था, कुछ दिनों बाद ही ऐड हुआ. आई थिंक 1 year और 2 years हो चुके हैं कोरोना की वजह से इसको हमें कैरी करना पड़ रहा है. और ये बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़ है. इससे पहले भी मेरी सिस कैरी करती थी, बट आई एम नॉट. सो राइट नाउ आई नीड. So yeah, sanitizer is the first thing. So next thing is this tissue papers. So basically these are not thick tissue papers. They are just clean your face. Neem Facial Whispers they are. So this one is from Himalaya and actually I love these tissue papers. They clean everything and actually a really nice packet of tissue papers. Actually is a problem free skin purifier for clean removing impurity. So it is not having the alcohol first of all. So it smells good and actually in traveling there is so, हम जब ट्रैवलिंग करते हैं तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा गंद जैसे मिट्टी लग जाती है मुंह पे, या वजह से मुझे हमेशा टिश्यू पेपर अपने साथ रखना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. और दिस टिश्यू पेपर आई एम यूजिंग फ्रॉम आई थिंक माई when I start this YouTube channel to remove the makeup also. So yeah, I just love tissue paper so much and these are the best one. So I think this one is 150 bucks. So 150 bucks. So yeah, definitely this one is a good quality. Next one is Vaseline. So as you see, I'm just have this bottle. So yeah, I just love Vaseline so much. If I'm not having this one, so I'm having my lip balm. So yeah, I'm just having my lip balm. This one is from Nivea Essential Lip Care. So actually I'm just love to apply this too, and definitely I'm daily using this one, so I have to keep this with me. So next I'm having this rubber band. So actually this one is a simple, not simple, but it's actually a simple thing. So rubber band I'm actually carrying for my hair. That's it. I'm having the short hair. That's why I carry this rubber band with me. जब भी मुझे गर्मी लगी या फिर I need to put my hairs on. So yeah, I'm just using this rubber bands. So I'm having another to this. So this one is a simple rubber band which I'm actually carrying. This one is actually simple rubber band which I'm actually carrying with me always in my pocket. So and this one is my favorite. So guys, I'm not like to खुले बाल रखना मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है बाहर कभी जाऊँ तो. सो या मैं हमेशा मेरे साथ क्लचर या फिर रबर बैंड्स कैरी करती हूँ. एंड या ट्रैवलिंग में बहुत ही ज़्यादा धूल होती है, सो यू हैव टू और टेक विथ योर रबर बैंड्स और द क्लचर्स और एनी टाइप ऑफ हेयर क्लिप्स विथ यू. सो नेक्स्ट इज this mini lipstick. I really like this lipstick so much and this shade is so beautiful. This one is the matte glam lipstick. So actually from last 6 months I'm using this lipstick so much. I actually love this matte colors and yeah, I think for this pouch is best, this mini lipsticks. So आप कभी भी जा रहे हो वहाँ तो अपने साथ मिनी लिपस्टिक रखना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है क्योंकि कभी भी सडन प्लान हो सकते हैं. So yeah, I just love this mini lipstick so much. So guys, if you watching this video, definitely you can carry the lipstick. This is doing so many changes in your face if you're not putting makeup, but lipstick is one of the makeup product which creates something new and it look really good and nice. So yeah, I just love lipstick so much, so I am always keep lipstick in my bag. And yeah, so next one is another lipstick. This is in red color and this one is in matte pink color. So definitely I'm using this one because I love nude shade. So sometimes I'm using a darker shade for celebration or in festivals, but nude color are for my traveling or for dinners. So that's it. Next one is I'm having a kajal or you can say the eyeliner. Basically I just love eyeliner so much, as you see I'm already wearing. So yeah, I love kajal or eyeliner, but I'm not using kajal as kajal throughout your lower lash, say I don't know. मेरे यहाँ आँखों के नीचे में काजल नहीं लगाती. I just not like so much, but actually I just love kajal to apply like eyeliner. So yeah, traveling में अगर मिरर भी नहीं है ना तो फिर भी मैं लगा सकती हूँ. Just add some wings. So that's it. I'm just putting this one like this. So yeah, I just love eyeliner. So I think this one is from Nykaa. I purchased in 2018 and that time it's really good, right? So yeah, I don't know, actually I'm just using, so it's look like a plain pen. So yeah, that's it. This one is so nice. So last not least, I'm having the chewing gum so much. I just love chewing gum. I think in 10 और 12 स्टैंडर्ड में इतनी ज़्यादा च्युइंग गम खाती थी. एक्चुअली सब मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा चिढ़ाते थे च्युइंग गम की वजह से. तब से मैंने छोड़ दिया था, बट जब से मैं ट्रैवलिंग कर रही हूँ मैं तब से अपने साथ चॉकलेट्स और च्युइंग गम हमेशा रखती हूँ. सो या, दिस पाउच इज यम्मी and I just love this pouch so much. Brands are doing so much great work on the small things, so I just love this one. So yeah, my traveling pouch is over. So all the things I'm keeping in pouch, they are that, and yeah, I'm using all the things in my daily life, daily routine. So hope you all enjoy this video. If you like this video, don't forget to thumb and subscribe my channel. And what do you think about this look? What I can create again and again? If you say yes, so I'm definitely create. And yeah, let's end this video. This video is all about the traveling bag, and hope you enjoy. Till then, bye bye.
Big thank you for being here.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.